Hi viewers, 11th Standard Accountancy, Chapter 13, Adjustment for Provision for Bad and Doubtful Debts. What is meant by provision for bad and doubtful debts? In easily say, clearly understood, the estimated amount yet not be collected from the debtors. Okay, that is called provision for bad and doubtful debts. Okay. So, at the end of the accounting period, there may be a certain debts which are doubtful. The amount to be received from the debtors may or may not be received. So, on the basis of the experience, generally, after deduction of the bad debts from the sundry debtors, the amount of doubtful debts is calculated on the basis of some percentage on debtors. So listen, generally based on past experience, the amount of doubtful debts is calculated on the basis of some percentage on debtors at the end of the accounting period after deduction further bad debts. Okay. Say for example, the trial balance prepared on 31st December 2016 shows sundry debtors as 1,50,000. So the sundry debtors value is 1,50,000. Remind it. Adjustment. Provide 5% for bad and doubtful debts on sundry debtors. So from the sundry debtors 1,50,000 rupees, they have provide 5% for bad and doubtful debts. Okay, so provision for bad and doubtful debts, how can we find out the provision for bad and doubtful debts? From the sundry debtors 1,50,000 rupees, we have to find 5%. That means 5 by 100. After cancel it, we will get 7,500. This is the provision for bad and doubtful debts. What is the adjusting entry for provision for bad and doubtful debts? Profit and loss account debtor to provision for bad and doubtful debts account 7,500 rupees. Provision for bad and doubtful debts made. It appears in financial accounts on 2 times. So provision for bad and doubtful debts is the loss for the company. Okay, so it is shows on debit side of the profit and loss account. So all the losses and the indirect expenses appears on debit side of the profit and loss account. As per the rule format for the profit and loss accounts, provision for bad and doubtful debts 7,500 rupees is to be debited on profit and loss account, and it appears on balance sheet, asset side of the balance sheet. It is to be deducted from the sundry debtors. So list provision for bad and doubtful debts from sundry debtors 1,50,000 rupees, we will get 1,42,500.